Hello students in 7th grade. Today we are going to complete the ideas on student book page 21 and answer the questions on workbook page 14. So let's start. In our lesson today, students should be able to recognize the spelling rules of doubling the consonant letters and answer the questions on workbook page 14. Prepare your books and be ready for the class. Students book page 21. C. Spelling. There are some rules for adding the suffixes ed and ing. If a root word ends in a consonant and preceded by a single short vowel sound, you have to double the consonant and add the suffix. How? Let's take examples. Like the word travel. Travel ends in the consonant L, and before L we have one vowel letter. So if we have one vowel, we have to double the consonant at the end of the word if we want to add the suffix ed or ing, as we see here. Travel, traveled, traveling. But if the word or the root word end in two vowel sounds, we don't double the letter at the end of this word, like greet, greeted, greeting. We don't double the letter T because before this letter we have two vowel sounds. If a root word ends in a single consonant with a single short vowel sound before it, and the suffix begins with a vowel, we usually double the consonant letter, as we said, like the root word, this verb, travel. If we want to add er, ed, ing, these suffixes, we have to double the consonant L, traveler, traveled, and traveling. Write the past tense of these verbs, then write the verbs next to the correct definitions here. What do we mean about past tense? We mean excellent, ed. We want to add ed for these verbs and make the correct changing of these verbs. Number 1, choral. Number 2, cancel. Number 3, refer. The first verb becomes choraled. Excellent. We double the letter E, then we added the ed, this suffix. Cancel, it becomes cancelled. Refer, referred, as we see here. Okay, number 1. What do we mean about to stop or end something? Excellent, this is cancel. Number 2. To mention someone or something. This is refer, yes. Number 3. To have an argument. This is quarrel. Okay. Now we have some exceptions of this rule. We have some words don't follow the rules, like the word gallop. It ends with the P consonant letter, and before P we have the vowel sound, but we don't double the consonant. Okay? Another word like the word cover. Covered. We don't double the letter R, although it preceded by the vowel sound. So these two verbs don't follow the rules of doubling before suffixing. Now, did you remember? How can we rewrite the sentences by using the present participle as an adjective? Open your workbook page 14 and be ready to answer these questions. Question number 1. Rewrite each pair of sentences as one sentence. Use the present participle as an adjective. We said that if we want to change these two sentences into one sentence, we follow these rules. The first one is to put the present participle before the noun and delete the helping verb. Then we delete the second subject. Number 1, the baby was crying. He woke everyone. The crying baby woke everyone. Try to answer these questions, then back to the video to check your answers. Number 2, the water was falling. It splashed into the pool. Did you answer? Okay, your answer should be the falling water splashed into the pool. We deleted the helping verb was and we put the present participle before the noun. Then we deleted the second subject in the second sentence, it. Number 3, Ben could hear the boys. The boys were laughing. The boys were laughing. Here we have the present participle. So, Ben could hear the laughing boys. Excellent. Number 4, children were running. They hurried to the school. So, the sentence after changing is excellent. Running children hurried to the school. The last one. Can you hear the lions? The lions are roaring. Can you hear the roaring lions? Excellent. These phrases to check your answers. Let's move to question number 2. Rewrite the sentences as one sentence using the present participle as an adjective. Ben was walking by the lightning. The lightning was flashing. So, Ben was walking by the flashing lightning. Number 2. The phone was ringing. It was answered by the man. The answer is yes. The ringing phone was answered by the man. Harry was frightened of the snake. The snake was hissing. The answer is Harry was frightened of the hissing snake. The man was drowning. He was saved by the rescue team. The answer is the drowning man was saved by the rescue team. The last one. Andy tried to catch the glass. The glass was falling. Andy tried to catch the falling glass. Now question number 3. Add the prefix an, this, or re to these words to make new words. Prefix is the letters which added before the root words. Number 1. Agree. Which prefix is the correct answer for this root word? This is disagree. Yes. It changed the meaning of agree when we add the prefix disagree. Number 2. Do. We can say redo or undo. Believe. We can add disbelieve. Number 4. Write. We have to say rewrite. Yes. Tie. Retie, or we can use untie. And the last one, fair, unfair. Number 4. Spelling. Make these verbs into nouns by adding er. So, cut, travel, wander are verbs. We want to change these verbs into nouns by adding er, and this is the suffix. Excellent. So, cut, if we want to add er, we have to double the last letter, the consonant letter. This is T. It becomes cutter. Yes. Number 2, travel. Also here we have to double the letter L, then we add the suffix er, and the last one we have wander. It becomes wanderer. Number 5, write the past tense of these verbs. we said that we mean past tense. Yes, add ed. Refer, discover, cancel, stop, and cook. One of these verbs doesn't follow the rule of doubling the consonant when we add the suffixes. This is discover. Yes, it changed to discovered without doubling the letter R. But refer, we have to say referred. Yes, we double the letter R. Cancel, cancelled. We double the letter L. Stop, stopped. Cook, cooked. Why we don't double the letter K here? Excellent, because before this letter we have two vowel sounds. Number 6. Make these adjectives into adverbs. What do we mean about adverbs? We want to add excellent ly for these adjectives. So, if we want to add ly for these adjectives, they changed into adverbs. Careful, slow, final, quick, general. Let's add ly to these adjectives. Carefully, slowly, finally, quickly, generally. So here we don't change anything, just add ly at the end of the adjectives. The last one, write the present continuous of these verbs. Present continuous means add ing. Excellent for these verbs. That's it for today. Be ready for the next class.